Hi guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on the our CSI chapter of Vit-Ap of Vit-Ap University, and we'll take a look at a Java topic today, and it is gonna be function overloading. And you all might probably know about function overloading, so I'm covering this topic once again because it is kind of important topic and you'll need it. So what is a method overloading or function overloading? So in Java, method overloading, it is the ability which creates multiple functions of same name, multiple functions or multiple methods of same name, and with different implementations. Like calls to an overloaded function will run a specific implementation of that function appropriate to the context of like there are different parameters which we have to pass in our methods. So our output, it will depend on the parameter which we give in while creating the object of the class or while calling the function. It will depend on that parameter or signature. In simple words, we call it signature or parameter. Yeah. So what it does, it allows one function to call one function call to perform different tasks depending on the context or this signature, whatever you want to call it, you can call it. Yeah. So let's start with an example because it is easy topic and it is very important topic also. So what I'll do, let me create this main method. So in this main method, before this main method, let's create some object. Not object, let's create some methods. So let's say I'm calling public which returns integer, and let's name it get details. And what it does, it returns 0. And let me create one more method with the same name, but it returns of type long. And it returns 1. And in this main method, let's create an object of this class app. So let's name our object as obj equal to and let's try to print this. Let's try to call our function. So yeah, obj dot get details. As you can look over here, our code, Visual Studio Code, it is showing an error because duplicate method get details in type app. So what we need, instead of this different return type, we need different signature or different parameter in our code. So if I do like intk and here let's leave it empty. So yeah, look over here, I am not passing anything in this while calling this function. Yeah, if we try to run our code, you'll see it will return 1, not 0, because we are not passing any parameter while calling our function. So if we pass some parameter, let's say I'm passing some strings, and let's say hello. So you may say Visual Studio Code, it is showing error because the method get details in type app is not applicable for argument of string type. So what it is saying, like we are giving string to it. So JVM, it is like what I don't get, why are you passing string, because you have defined the functions for integer and no parameter. So we cannot pass string, so that's why it is showing some error. So I hope it was clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. you can also rewind the video, take a look at it. And if you have any suggestions for us, you can just write them in the comment section. We'll definitely take them into actions. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thanks.